Stop button. Recording. Stop button.
Hello guys, and muli po akong nagbabalik sa pag-upload. So ilang araw din tayong hindi nakapag-upload. So ngayon, mag extra gaming content. So ating ipagpatuloy ang Farm 3XB accessible. So dahil extra gaming content ito, so bahala na kayong makinig. So
Recording.
bago tayo magsimula sa ating games ngayon, may sabihin akong good news, o may good news tayo ngayon. So may nakita po kaming bagong games na screen open na natin to.
Screen locked.
So may nakita po kaming bagong games na pwede nating i-upload dito sa ating channel. So bibigyan ko na rin kayo ng kunting impormasyon about sa mismong laro, So ang nakita naming games, so nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. Check muna natin
6:27 a.m.
para
Home button. Home screen. Screen 1 of 2.
para marinig nyo na rin,
Frequent Facebook. Eclipse. Echovis Street.
So ito
Default.
ito yung games,
Words. Echovis Street.
Eco the Street.
Character. Default.
So ang paglalaro dito, so ito yung i-upload natin pagkatapos nitong frequency missing na games, dahil hindi pa tayo natapos sa Todo Dragon Cave. So kailangan muna natin tapusin yung Todo Dragon Cave bago tayo dito sa Eco the Street. So itong Eco the Street,
Screen locked.
ang paglalaro dito, kailangan mong tumawid ng kalsada na hindi ka dapat matamaan ng mga truck, parang ganon. So kailangan mong tumawid. So by level din ito. So chinek ko naman siya sa level list, kung hindi ako nakakamali, level list. Umabot po siya ng level 10. So level 10 po yung laro. So dahil mahirap to, siguro umabot tayo dito ng part 5. So kada uploads natin, so may dalawang level 1 and level 2. So nilaro ko naman to. So hanggang ngayon ay sa level 4 pa ako, So bago pa lang tong games na to, Eco the Street. So isa tong good news para sa ating channel na nag-upload ng mga laro, dahil may panibago naman tayong laro, So kung may panibago, may bad news din, So kung alam niyo yung games na Hill Hunter, yung dalawang Hill Hunter, so tinanggal na po ni Google Play. So hindi ko na siya makita, So sayang to, o sayang yung mga games na to, dahil kung hindi to natanggal, siguro isa din to sa ating i-upload kahit demo lang. So malaki na siyang tulong para mas lalo pang dumami ang mga videos natin at maraming mapakinggan dito. So dahil tinanggal po siya sa Play Store, isa po itong nakakalungkot na balita para sa ating channel. So hindi ko lang alam guys kung maubos na tong games na ina-upload natin. Kung maubos ko na to, ma-upload ko na to lahat, so siguro mas stop po yung ating pag-uploads. So sana lang may bagong games ngayong 2025. So ngayon 2024, marami namang bagong games, pero yung iba ay hindi mapasok, no? Early access pa lang. So yung iba naman ay beta testing. So isa po ito sa nakakalungkot na balita, no, na isa na namang games ang tinanggal ni Google Play, yung ating games na dalawang Hill Hunter, no? So nanghanap ako ng APK sa Anti-Numan, hindi ko naman siya ma-install, no, dahil ang nakalagay ay nakalimutan ko na yung basta hindi daw ma-install kasi bakit nakalimutan ko yung pangalan, basta isa din yun sa mga problema kung hindi ma-install yung isang laro, no? Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan, basta may problema. So sa naman, Damn Soul kasi dalawa yung Hill Hunter 2, so wala naman siyang problema, no? Pero parang hindi siya, kung maglalaro ka, parang hindi siya umaabot ng 1 oras, no? Madali lang siyang matapos. So isa to sa mga nakakalungkot na mga balita para sa ating para sa kapareho ko ng content na nang-upload ng mga games na pang Android lamang, no? So sa iba, so walang problema kasi halo-halo naman yung games nila, may pang PC o computer, mga pang iPhone. So sa akin lang, no, isa to sa mga nakakalungkot na balita kasi ang ina-upload lang natin dito, kagaya nga ng nakalagay sa description ng ating channel, pang Android na games lang, no? Kapag tinanggal to ni Play Store lahat, nako, lagot, wala na tayong uploads. So ngayon, tapos na tayo sa ating konting announcement. So simulan na natin yung games na
6:34 a.m.
Hill Hunter Farm 3XB accessible.
Home screen button. Echovis Street clock. English files. Gallery. Free file. Fazendina.
So ito na yung games.
Fazendina. Talkback must be activated to play. You can use the volume key shortcut to turn talkback on or off. Use this shortcut the first time you turn on and configure your device. Game commands and gestures using talkback. Go to the next item on the screen. Right. Go back to the previous item on the screen. On the left. To confirm. Tap twice. To close the tutorial. Pull down with 2 fingers or click to go back. Done. Button. Double tap to continue.
Okay, done natin.
Fazendina.
So ito yung coins natin sa last time nating laro.
You have 54 coins.
You have 54 coins.
Screen locked.
So kapag ganito, kapag nawala yung mga games natin sa Play Store na mga pang blind, siguro 1 month isang uploads na lang. 1 month isang uploads. Ibig sabihin, kada 1 month may isang videos tungkol sa laro. Parang gano'n na lang. Kasi siguro yung ibang channel naman umabot pa ng 3 months, 4 months o year bago sila mag-upload ng mga bagong games sa mga gamer, hindi games. mga gaming content, mga blind gaming content pala, no? So yung ibang channel na mga blind gaming content, lalong-lalo na sa mga nag-upload lang ng mga Android games, so hindi sila nang-upload, no, sa siguro 3 months. So may alam akong channel na hanggang ngayon ay wala pa ring upload. Siguro kung madidelete ang lahat ng games sa Play Store, siguro ganyan din ang ating schedule. Mga 3 months din tayong hindi makapag-upload. So dahil may naman tayo, extra gaming content, so okay lang na hindi 3 months o 4 months o di kaya taon o 1 taon bago tayo makapag-upload. So ginawa ko lang tong extra gaming content para lang magparamdam sa inyo na mga nakasubscribe dito, no? Pagpaparamdam lang para para active yung ating uploads.
Shop. Here you can chicken poop. Get 80 coin. Planting. Become a super farmer.
Okay.
Duck pond. Get 200. Planting. Become a super. Fazendina. You have 50. Planting 1. Plant a new seed.
So dahil 50 plus pa yung ating coins, hindi mo na tayo tatanim ng mga talong. Dito muna tayo sa
choose a seed to grow. Tomato seed 0 coins.
Libre. So dito sa tomato seed.
Pumpkin seed free. Tomato seed 0 coins. You planted a tomato seed.
So yung iba dito may bayad na. Dahil 54 coins kung hindi ko nakakamali. Dito muna tayo
Planting
sa
1. It's time for you to water the seed.
Dito muna tayo sa libre.
You need 60 water bucket. Water bucket is selected. Back. You have 54 coins. Planting 1. It's time for you need 20 coins. Planting 1. Planting 1. Your seed has been watered.
So ulitin ko lang, no?
Planting
Ginawa
1.
ko tong
Your seed needs sun.
Ginawa ko lang tong extra gaming content para magpaka lang anong tawag dito? Para magparamdam lang, no? So para hindi nyo i-arrange hindi nyo naman sasabihin na hindi na active yung ating channel. So
you need water. Sun. Sun is selected.
Okay lang na 5 days tayong hindi makapag-upload dahil mag-upload pa rin tayo, no?
Back to you have planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight.
Okay.
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So harvest natin, harvest.
You have planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. You had a good tomato crop.
So dito sa sa Prudence, so balikan natin yung Prudence. So ginamit ko siya noong nakaraang linggo. Ginamit ko to dito sa laro na ito. So hindi niya sasabihin yung halimbawa tomato,
you need 20 coin. You need planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
Hindi niya sasabihin lang ganito.
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So hindi niya sasabihin na planting 1, you have really to harvest. Parang lang, didiretso lang, no?
Choose a seed to tomato seed 0 coins. You planted a tomato seed.
You plant a tomato seed.
Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. You need 6 water bucket. Water bucket is selected. Back. You have planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Planting 1. Your seed has been watered. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun.
Okay.
You water sun. Sun is selected. Back. You have planting. You have 50. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So, hindi niya sasabihin na ganon. Didiretso lang sa tunog.
You have planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. You had a good tomato crop.
You have a good tomato crop.
You need 20 coin. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap. Choose a seed to grow. Tomato seed 0 coins.
Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung ano ko, yung tining ko ngayon. Kasi para akong sinisipon.
You planted a tomato seed. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. You need 40 you need 60 water bucket. Water bucket is selected.
So ito pa lang mga unit, 60 coin, 40 coins, 20 coins. Ito yung mga slot, no? Slot. Ito yung mga parang silid. Halimbawa, silid ng pagtaniman, no? Pwede tayo magtanim dito ng 4 na tomato sa isang tanim lang, no?
Son, back you have. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Planting 1. Your seed has been watered.
So
planting 1. Your seed needs sun.
Sa 4 na parang silid. So pwede tayo magtanim dito ng 4 rin na anong tawag dito?
You need planting 1. Your seed you need what? Sun.
Tomato. Parang
Back to
ganun.
sun.
Tomato.
Sun is selected. Back you have planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So dito sa 3 pala to, no? Isang libre. Hindi pala to libre. Babayaran mo rin to ng ilan ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na, basta mga 6 coins. Babayaran mo rin tong planting 1.
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double. You had a good tomato crop.
So pag open mo lang o pag open mo pa lang sa games na ito, kapag tiningnan mo yung shop, may siya. Siguro 2 products. So ito nga yung tomato. So yung bayad sa tomato, kung hindi ko nagkakamali, na 2 products. Ito yung ibabayad mo dito sa planting 1.
You need planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest.
Para makapagtanim ka ng tomato, siyempre. At yung iba dito, yung mga pumpkin. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya bibigkasin. So, pumpkin.
Choose a seed to grow. Tomato seed 0 coins. You planted a tomato seed.
So, para mas madali na dumamay yung coins mo dito, so kailangan mong magbayad dito ng 40,
planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed.
20, 40 at 60.
You have 54 coins. Planting. You need 20 coins. You need 40 coins. You need 60 coins. Water bucket. Water bucket is selected.
20, 40, 60. So kapag binayaran mo to, yung 3, so magkakaroon na siya ng planting 2, planting 3 at planting 4. So sa isang tomato sa planting 1 ngayon, so pwede nang maging 4. Pwede nang 4 na yung haharbisin mo na mga tanim.
So back to the you have planting 1. You have planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Planting 1. Your seed has been watered. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. You need water. Sun. Sun is selected. Back. You have planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest. You have planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest. You had a good tomato crop.
So, tingnan natin yung ating
You have back to the farm button.
products.
As a dinner. You shop. Here you can sell your products. You have 4 products.
So, 4 products. So, kapag inopen natin yung kapag binayaran natin yung 20, 40, and 60, so, magiging na yan? 8. Kung isang taniman lang, 4. So, dahil 4 na taniman tayo, siguro 4 na taniman, 4 na pagtatanim. Siguro umabot na to ng 16 products.
Chicken coop. Get 8. Planting. Become a chicken coop. Get 80 coins to unlock.
So ito pala yung dapat nating i-unlock.
Shop. Chicken coop. Get 80 coins to unlock.
Chicken coop.
Plant. Duck pond. Get 200 coins to unlock.
Duck pond. So ito pa.
Cattle corral. Get 700 coins to unlock.
Ito mahal to. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano ba ang mga opsyon dito.
Fish dam. Get 1,000 coins to unlock.
Ito pa.
Beehive. Get 1,500 coins to unlock.
Ito, mga mahal na to.
My trophies.
So ito lang.
Duck pond. Planting. Chicken coop. Get 80 coins to unlock. Planting. Become a super farmer. As a
Balik
dinner.
tayo sa
You have.
planting.
Planting 1. Plant. Choose a seed. Tomato seed. 0 coins. You planted a tomato seed. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Back. Water bucket. Water bucket is selected. Sun. Back. You have. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Planting 1. Your seed has been watered. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. You need water bucket. Sun. Sun is selected. Back. You have. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest. You have. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap. You had a good tomato crop. You have. Back to the farm. Fazendinda. You have. Shop. Here you can sell your products. You have 5 products.
So ibenta na natin ito. Para
You have. Back. You have 54. Back to the farm. Button.
maladagan yung ating coins.
You have 5 tomatoes. Each tomato is worth 3 coins. Sell all tomatoes.
Okay.
You received 15 coins.
15 coins.
Back to the farm. Fazendinda. You have 69 coins.
So may 69 coins na tayo, no? Saan ba yung ano dito?
Credit button. Don't quit game. But farm quit game button.
Quit game.
Home
Okay.
screen. Google Go. Over. Recent app. Fazendinda. Recording. 002224. Screen locked.
So, yun lang, no? Ating game sa araw na ito. So, nabot pala sa games, no? Na discover namin Ikuda Street. So, kailangan mong tumawid ng kalsada na hindi ka matamaan o hindi ka ano ba yan? Hindi ka tamaan o madisgrasya sa daan, no? Hindi ka dapat basta parang gano'n na. So abangan nyo lang yan, guys. Sa susunod nating uploads. So pagkatapos sa To the Dragon Cave, focus naman tayo sa frequency missing dahil naka-upload na tayo ng tutorial mode dito, no? So sa sunod ng frequency missing, try naman natin yung Ikuda Street kasi napaka-challenge ng games na ito. So siguro mas maganda to kung naka-headphones ka. So malaman mo talaga kung kailan ka tatawid.
0024 tap pause stop button.
So hanggang dito na lang, guys, no? Ang ating upload.
Recording.
So muli, magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
Stop button.